Now that I've finished working on the background part of the galaxy, I'm going to begin moving towards making some planets. Before I do, let's just point out some of the things that I've added. I went back and forth between my reference and my picture and picked things that I wanted to incorporate. I have what I tried to make look like a nebula with bright whites. I created stars by changing the size and the opacity, so some look a little brighter than others. And I've made larger stars with some more color. I even tried to make a little bit of shooting stars to add. What I'm going to do next is I am going to add a layer. Adding a layer will help us when it comes to erasing. If we make a mistake while working on the first layer, what will happen is when we go to erase it, we will erase the background, and we do not want to do that. Instead, we're going to click on the plus sign next to layers. So again, that is clicking right here and the plus sign, and you will see a new layer has appeared. I'm going to go back to my color and I am going to begin my planet. I'm going to show you how this layer works. I'm going to start with the purest form of that color. I'm going to change, I think, maybe to the marker. And I'm going to keep it opaque, which means not see-through. I'm also going to change the size to make it a little larger. And I'm going to begin my first planet. Oops. It'll take some time to get the hang of making it rounded. Just go slow. When you feel like you have a good size, you can lift up. Now I'm going to make a quick mistake just to show you. Oops, I went outside the circle. Because we're working on a new layer, when I erase, notice how the background stays the same? That's how I keep things protected. My goal for my planets is to make them look like spheres. So I'm going to think about our past projects and the practice that we've done earlier in the week, and I'm going to begin by adding some values by making this planet a little bit darker and layering in some color. Let's see. Not bad. Maybe I'll change the opacity so I can really make this blend well. Remember, try not to change the color, but to change the value or the intensity of the color. You can experiment by adding some texture and really just going back and forth and seeing how things look. Each planet is going to take some time to develop, and it's okay to make mistakes, to erase, or to just keep on layering until it looks right to you. This is something new that we haven't done before. So it's kind of exciting to see what we can create and what our limitations are. I'm going to end this video here, but I'll make sure to show you my finished product. I look forward to seeing how you do manipulating the computer and drawing digitally. Enjoy!